My name's Yeardley. I'm training manager and I work for Angloco and we build fire engines. My experience with the apprentices has been really good. So when we first start, we start with 3 apprentices, and with that good experience we actually took another 2 on, and made it work a little bit better. Benefit to Angloco with taking on apprentices is we've been able to see what they can achieve for us and what we can actually achieve for them. So what we're doing is we're enabling in all different departments, so they get to dip their feet on it and everything that we do, so then they can experience the full benefit of the company. The benefit to us taking apprentices on is we've actually seen that young adults can actually get into our workforce and actually be beneficial to how we work. There's a lot of it now at the moment that nobody's bringing young people in and getting them to learn all skills. So because we're doing that, it's enabling them to learn new skills and us to get better and better as we go along. The roles that apprentices undertake with us is very varied. So it starts from auto electrical, then they do mechanical, they do quality inspection, and they do coach building. So with that, because we build fire engines, it takes them from the start all the way to the final operation. Because they do the quality inspection, they actually see how to operate a vehicle and make sure that when it goes out to customer, it is 100% where we need it. So they're learning really good skills that a lot of people or apprentices will never ever learn. Working Kirklees College has been good, to be honest. We wanted a course. They didn't actually have a course that fitted what our needs. So they looked at a course that would benefit us, which was a large vehicle. And because we have HGV vehicles to start with, well then they've put modules on top of it that's helped us with the auto electrical side. So although our students have to stay a little bit longer at college, at least we are getting what we physically need as a business to keep on rolling. If other employers want to take apprentices on, the best bit of advice I can give is give the opportunity to the young adults coming for an interview. Listen to them, see what they want and what they expect, and then look at what you can offer them. Give them a variety in what they want to do and how they can fit in your workshops, and just go with it. Don't be scared about taking too many apprentices on. Don't think if I take one, at least I'm just taking it nice and steady. My views on taking on apprentices and what my experience has been with the college and with the apprentices. It's been great working with fresh young adults coming in. They've shown that they've got the resilience to keep on and get their heads down and actually work with us.